Everybody asks me, I need a Sprinter chassis, off-road, all-wheel drive. Finally, Coachmen listened to us. I am Niall Amari from Best RV in Trolla, California. What is behind me is the first off-road Sprinter chassis manufactured by Coachmen. Is the Cross Trail 24FL. It's a brand new 25 Mercedes Sprinter chassis, all-wheel drive with off-road tire package. This motorhome is designed for somebody to take his motorhome off-roading and going middle nowhere in the mountains or on the beach or going to Baja desert whatsoever, where you have more clearance and it's all-wheel drive. So you have more torque and more movements on your Class C Sprinter chassis, so you could roughen up and take it to a rough area, not just asphalt road. As you see, it has the nice black rim on this motorhome, and you can see the shock over here with off-roading. Again, this is all-wheel drive, which is first time we got it on a Sprinter chassis. Typical Cross Trail, they give you 3 cameras, one in the back, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. The power awning with LED and no hardware. They give you the TV bracket here, come with it. So you can put your TV and hook it up right there. Typical Cross Trail, they have the big propane tank. Asdel fiberglass, that's a big deal, with extra solar panel. By the way, the unit come with the generators and a solar. But this is extra if you want to add more solar to it. Endless hot water heater, typical Class C motorhome Sprinter chassis. They come with endless hot water heater from Coachmen. Outside sprayer if you want to rinse your dog or wash your hands. Big storage. And the nice thing about the storage is accessible from both sides. The rear as well, the side. So you could get here your rough. You have washable area here, so if you get dirty, you can rinse it, no problem. They give you the outdoor grill hookup, so in case if you take a grill with you, you could put the grill, you could put your TV, cook, eat, watch TV, underneath a nice awning, enjoy the outdoor. You can see this Class C is set higher from the ground. Class 3 hitch, if you decide to pull behind you jet ski or boat, small boats or your car. This is where your rear camera, as well the leopard component, expandable ladder. One nice easy hookup, cable, satellites, sandy flush, antifreeze, and city water connection. The big 30 amp cord come with it. This is all your drainage. Is again, if you notice, it's already up in the unit, so it's clear from the ground. I love the rim with the Mercedes emblem with the black. This is solid rim, dual in the back. Another storage outside. And typical, you have the beautiful generator. And then again, this generator is going to be propane, because it's a 4000 flex propane, because this engine is a diesel. So they have to give you propane generators. But as you see, when you get inside here, you could see how it's set high from the ground and with a big step. So you don't have to worry about when you're going in the mountains, you don't have to worry it's gonna be something damage your step, because it's set high from the ground. I like what they did. They give you extra 2 light here, floodlight, LED, especially when you go off-roading, you could see more. The nice big window, automotive with the LED light. The look is like muscular look. It's like, I'm here. So let's go inside, see the 24FL. This motorhome, even no slide. There's no slide out, but look how so roomy and so comfy. And by the way, this motorhome sleeps 5 people, because you could sit driver, passenger, and you could sit 3 people over here. So this sofa has a plate for seat, and you could sleep 5. Why? Because you could sleep 2 people in the back, 1 to 2 here, and 1 to 2 in the top. So 4 to 5 people is dependent on their sizes. Now, a beautiful 3-seat sofa. They have place to sit and play with your laptop, eat. And also this one is easy to make a bed. So you have a bed here, bed in the back, bed in the front. And if you want to put it back, just hold it with support from the back a little bit. And voila, you have a bed. And those one, each side has 110 plug, USB plug, both kind. As well, you have it here, 110 and actually 4 USB plugs, and both kinds. And then this is the eating tip. On top of it, look how big the storage, huge European hinges. Across from it, we have a full kitchen, a lot of place for silverware, cooking pans, doors for utensils, again, or cooking pans or cooking trays, more doors. Typical cross trail, convection microwave, 2 inductions, and nice stainless steel sink. If you need a prep area, come with also extension to the sink. So this is additional prep area. Endless hot water heater controller. Big fridge, look how big it is. And you have freezer on this perimeter. Closets, you have 1, 2. Here's the ladder for the back bunk and shade. You could use this as a pantry or closets. You have doors for socks, underwears, you name it. More storage here. So if you need pantry for your kitchen, you could utilize this one as a kitchen pantry. Now, the bed, easy to get in. Easy, I could sleep. I don't want to put my shoes on it. Easy, I could sleep 2 people. If you want an additional TV, there's a room over there. I could add a second TV. There's a 110 plug here for my laptop, USB plug for my iPad. Again, all the storage closet, storage and storage. I love the windows. The open screen for fresh air. And if you need the shade, you do that. Same thing. It has a nice headboard. You put a couple pillows and you lay down. And again, it will fit you. Actually, I don't want to put my shoes on the bed. That's the reason why. So it's very roomy, as you see. It's very big. And it has a headroom. Now the bathroom, easy to get in. You know, nice elbow, skylight, shower head. Voila. Another cabinet here for linens. Toilet, no issue. Wait, we forgot there's a nice mirror medicine cabinet. Come with it. So very roomy, plus you need a bed. Voila. There's a bed. And if you don't like that shade and this, you come down over here and you close the shade and you could see one switch and you're closing the shade. And then if you want to open it, it's fine. This is all control panel here. Cell phone charger for the people sleeping on the top. This TV is in a swing arm. So even the people in the dinette, in the sofa or in this bed, they could watch it with no problem. And then it has locking mechanism. 24 FL, perfect for the guy who likes to go off-roading, go middle of nowhere. You have the generators, you have the solar, you have off-roading, you all-wheel drive. It drives like 4x4 truck. Come in and try it. Come see it.